I'm talking New York City, New Orleans, Philly, Chicago. I'm talking Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Miami, Orlando. I'm talking Houston, Phoenix, ATL, DC, Baltimore. I'm talking Pittsburgh, St. Louis, and any other place that got it going on. Make sure you do ya. Wherever you from, you go do ya. Me and my family, we're about to go car shopping for me. I'm gonna be getting a new car very, very soon. I'm very excited about it because the car that I have now, I've had it for like 5 years now. So, yeah, and I'm just ready for something a little bit newer, and affordable, of course. So I just wanted to vlog and just, you know, be on camera. But yeah, so I feel like I'm rambling. I don't want this whole video just to be me talking. So let's get it. I got these shades from what is that? I got it from Target. I got these from Target. Yeah, so I like them. They're, you know, like the little aviators, and they're like mirrored. You can see my little camera in there. But yeah, I like these. Kind of goes with my hat a little bit. It's blue, but yeah, there you go. Look at this 14 Malibu.
None of them gonna be open.
Is this one open?
What is this?
A Malibu?
Yeah, this is nice. This is the what year?
This is a 14.
Right, this is the one you said no, you don't like. What in front of the house? It's the same one.
No, this is not.
Yes, it is.
No, because the lights are different.
Tyler, it's the same one. The back lights are the same. That man across the way, it's 19,000.
Y'all, so what y'all think about this car? No sunroof, but it's decent. Mom, I'm vlogging. Can you please be quiet? Okay. So yeah, this is the car. Is it push to start? Oh, damn, the key is in here and everything. Okay, let me get out of this.
How many miles? VIN number. Does it say
It's digital, so
it's a 14.
it's a nice little car.
Little car. So this is considered mid-size. This is the ultra light. This is 21 height.
Uh-huh.
You have to find out what options you want. It's got all of these cars have that now. And this one is a 15, but it's saying that it's no.
I want to see how I look in it. I know, that's fine. I want to see how I look in this car.
Yes.
I like. It's okay. I don't like this. I don't like silver.
As is, no warranty.
Oh, it's nice and. Okay, this the Cruise. It's got a nice little sunroof on it. I like this. This is an okay car. Let me see. Oh yes, I like this.
Touch it, that's my habit. Just got it on the pocket, rocket from my wallet. One off in the chamber, ain't no need for me to pack it. Get the jumping when that Draco get the popping.
So guys, we are now at the Dodge dealership, and I'm still looking for
my perfect ride. I keep seeing the Chrysler. I like this car. Comment below, what car should I get? This is the one that you were talking about. This, yeah, I don't like this.
No, it's not.
This is the Malibu that you were talking about in front of the house. I don't like this.
It's a mid-sized car.
I don't like it. It's ugly.
Get you in this.
Mm-mm.
Okay, I'm just saying.
I don't like
You
that.
looking for that note, like you saying, that $300.
If I'm gonna be paying for it, I might as well get something that I like. Oh, here go another dart. Let me see. Ooh, these got the black wheels. I like these. Please be open. Oh, it's open.
Not the price.
Oh, wait, let me see if I can get it. Oh. Okay, hold on, let me see. How do I look in this car? How do I get in? Is it too small? How do I look in it? Boy, if you don't get
In the Hennessy, lady, I can't tell if you in it or if you into me. I wanna give her one more shot.
I had to move the car because my mom just went into the beauty supply. If you have a black mama, then you know what I am talking about when I say the beauty supply.
Her today, yeah. She talked to me like she knew me, yeah. Go to sleep in a jacuzzi, yeah. Waking up right to a two-piece, yeah.
So, I'm super excited to be vlogging again. I'm going to be coming out with hella good videos. Like I promised y'all, my vlogs are getting ready to be lit. I'm waiting for my laptop. I want to have better editing, better quality, different things like that. What's funny?
I just kept laughing.
What's funny? I know my vlogs are kind of like, I've watched them and I'm just like, So, hopefully tonight, but like, when things are happening, it doesn't dawn on me to like open up, like to turn on the camera. Like, I just sometimes forget because it's not like a natural thing for me just quite yet. So, I still have to get like in the, you know, vlogging, picking up the camera all the time, but I will. Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday. I'm just at home right now doing some research on some cars. I'm coming down with like a little cold, so I had to buy these bag of hauls because my throat is like, it's like real scratchy right now. But I'm doing some research right now, and I'm just in the house. Like, I'm super bored. I want to go somewhere, but one, I don't have anybody to do it with, and then right now I can't even think of like where I could even go or what is there to do today. There's the auto show today. The auto show is here. Maybe I can do that. I can take my brother. We can go look at some cars because I love cars. And my dream car is a Range Rover. Like, I'm just going for the Range Rover. So I'm going to get up, clean my room, brush my teeth, wash my face, and get on with the day. So I'll see you guys when we get to the show.
Just
We decided to come to the auto show, and are you having fun, Josh?
Yeah.
We're in the Mercedes. I don't know what Mercedes this is, but it's really, really nice. I don't like this interior. I gotta do all black, but we're having a good time. The bells and whistles. What is it like in the back seat? It's kind of small back here. It's like a coupe. Oh no. Or should we do the dogs again? It's a dog.
Anything you want. Anything you want, anything you want. Anything you want, I'll give it up. Anything you want. Anything you want,
Just who this is. Tell me that you love me, baby.
Stay right here in line. What's that?
like this car?
Like this one, but not
No, I was waiting for you to stop painting. Take a picture of me. No, I don't like the way my hair looks.
why you look like parted
Yeah.
a little bit. Oh. Bring like one down, like you do. Get out of tiny Lego.
That's so crazy.
It took like 18 hours.
It ain't took no 18 hours.
It took more than that.
It's so cool.
It took like 2 months, probably.
That is crazy.
Oh yeah.
So we're in the Chevy section right now, but I seen another person like vlogging or like just having like their camera, like how I'm talking to my camera, and like it just opens up my eyes. Like I need to stop being so scared and being so timid and like being shy, because I'm a shy person. I'm gonna keep vlogging. I'm gonna keep vlogging. Even though I'm a shy person, I'm going to keep going.
When the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes. Like I'm the plug and you don't know. Well, why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna let you down. I care about the things you said. It's just that I don't see myself. Yeah. Keep in mind I got longevity days now. Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now. Sipping Henny from the bottle, got my first meal now. Nowhere do I run from, yeah, they don't even know where I'm coming from. Now they all just wanna sing along. Now they all just wanna come along. Oh man, I wanna tap out now. Just see your pants out now. Book a flight to Japan right now. I don't wanna be the last around, no. When the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes. Like I'm the plug and you don't know. Well, why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I